The order period for the 2019 Kawasaki Ninja H2 is officially opened, and I am really excited. What's going on, friends? Welcome back to the channel. If I sound really excited, it's because I genuinely am. I've been waiting for today for almost an entire year. Some of you may have seen that Kawasaki has had a countdown timer on their website for the past 30 days or so. Well, that counter got to 0 today and marked the release of a bunch of new bikes in Kawasaki's lineup. The one I'm most concerned about is the 2019 Kawasaki Ninja H2. This year it's coming with more power, upgraded electronics, upgraded brakes, this cool ass TFT screen. Look at this thing. Just look at it.
What the heck is that?
Bluetooth connectivity, self-healing paint? Self-healing paint? That's crazy. This time last year, I came up with the crazy idea that maybe I should buy one of these things. And then in April, I decided to stop being a bitch and go ahead and put a deposit on one. So as of today, right now, I officially have a pre-order for 2019 Kawasaki Ninja H2. I can't remember if they told me when I should be expecting this thing. Sometime during the phone call, my brain went dead.
Never go for a retard.
Yeah, never do that. But once I get any kind of updates, I will definitely let you guys know. Make sure you subscribe, hit that little subscribe button, or follow me on Instagram so you get all the updates when I get them. And before I forget, big shout out to my dudes Robert and Dustin over at Fun Bike Center in San Diego. They have been awesome through this whole experience. If you need something with 2 wheels or 4 wheels or something that floats and goes really fast, make sure you hit these guys up. They've got a warehouse full of toys. I'm sure they got what you need. Anyways, that's all I've got for right now. Thanks for stopping by, and see you all again next time.